Today's GK questions are: in which country 5 suns are visible? I repeat the question. In which country 5 suns are visible? The answer is China. Who was the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna award? I repeat the question. Who was the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna award? The answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sports Day is celebrated every year in the memory of? Correct answer. The answer is Major Dhyan Chand. Where is blue rose found? I repeat the question. Where is blue rose found? The answer is Japan. World Voters Day is celebrated on? I repeat the question. World Voters Day is celebrated on? The answer is 25th January. Today's riddle. I have no life but I can die. Who am I? Correct answer. The answer is Batman.